Welcome to the Become a Modern Day Alchemist course, where we unlock the secrets of attracting wealth and riches into our lives. I'm Dreyer, and as a modern day alchemist, I've discovered how to turn an idea into absolute abundance with no money required. Today's lesson focuses on the Hermetic Principle of Correspondence. This is the second law of the Hermetic laws or principles. And I want to show you how it can help you to acquire wealth. You know, it's true. No one is born as an alchemist. But the good news is that anyone can learn the trades, the skills, and the qualities needed in order to become one. And here's the even better news. All of these qualities are teachable, learnable, and transferable. Therefore, by mastering these skills, you elevate yourself to a high vibration and therefore create a life of abundance. So, are you ready to take the next step in attracting wealth into your life? If so, let's dive in. The principle of correspondence states, as above, so below, and as within, so without. While many people focus on the as within, so without aspect of this principle, they tend to forget about the importance of the as without, so within half. Your physical reality can affect your mind just as much as your mind can affect your physical reality. If you want to attract wealth and abundance, you need to make sure that your physical reality reflects that desire. And one way to do this is by cleaning up your living space. Now, this may sound too simple or mundane, but it can have profound effects. When you clean your space, you're creating a symbolic correspondence between the cleanliness of your environment and the clarity of your mind. Cleaning your space costs absolutely nothing but a few minutes each day. However, when you combine this practice with other keys to wealth, you begin to see significant changes in your life. Try cleaning your room or your bedroom or your office or any other space where you spend a significant amount of time in. And then notice how your environment affects your mental state and vice versa. So the task for today is very simple. Take action by cleaning your living space. Observe how this practice affects your mental state and your ability to attract wealth and abundance. And then I'd like you to share that experiences in the comments below. So thank you for joining us in this lesson. If you found it useful, please consider liking, sharing, and commenting on this video to help us to reach more people. And then, of course, be sure to join us for our next lesson, where we will be exploring another very effective wealth manifestation technique. And then remember, your beliefs and qualities and skills are the building blocks of your success. So thank you for being here today, and we look forward to seeing you in our next class.